taffeta is a crisp, smooth, plain woven fabric made from silk or cuprammonium rayons. The word is Persian in origin and means twisted woven. It is considered to be a high-end fabric, suitable for use in ball gowns, wedding dresses, and interiors for curtains or wall covering. It is also widely used in the manufacture of corsets and corsetry. It yields a more starched-like type of cloth that holds its shape better than many other fabrics. An extremely thin, crisp type of taffeta is called paper taffeta. There are two distinct types of silk taffeta, yarn-dyed and piece-dyed. Piece-dyed taffeta is often used in linings and is quite soft. Yarn-dyed taffeta is much stiffer and is often used in the evening dresses. Shot silk taffeta was one of the most sought-after forms of Byzantine silk, and may have been the fabric known as purpura. Production: modern taffeta was first woven in Italy and France and until the 1950s in Japan. Warp-printed taffeta or China copyright, mainly made in France from the 18th century onwards, is sometimes called Pompadour taffeta after Madame de Pompadour. Today most raw silk taffeta is produced in India and Pakistan. Initially, handlooms were widely used, but since the 1990s it has been produced on mechanical looms in the Bangalore area. From the 1970s until the 1990s, the Jiangsu province of China produced fine silk taffetas. These were less flexible than those from Indian mills, however, which continued to dominate production. Other countries in Southeast Asia and the Middle East also produced silk taffeta, but these products are not yet equal in quality or competitiveness to those from India. The most deluxe taffetas, however, are still woven in France, Italy, Russia, and the United Kingdom. Historical and current uses: taffeta has seen use for purposes other than clothing fabric, including the following. On November 4, 1782, taffeta was used by Joseph Montgolfier of France to construct a small, cube-shaped balloon. This was the beginning of many experiments using taffeta balloons by the Montgolfier brothers, and led to the first known human flight in a lighter-than aircraft. Synthetic fiber forms of taffeta have been used to simulate the structure of blood vessels. References: Dictionary of Textiles, Louis Harmuth. New York, Fairchild Publishing Company, 1915, pages 184, Google Books edition of Dictionary of Textiles.